Today, markets saw the release of the ZEW Economic Sentiment Index for Germany and the Eurozone. Joining me now is economist Christian Diedig from the Centre for European Economic Research, also known as ZEW, one of Germany's leading economic research institutes. Thank you for joining me, Christian. Now, we've just had the release of the ZEW survey for both Germany and the Eurozone as a whole. First of all, let's turn our attention to Germany. What can you tell me about the current situation of the economy and experts' predictions of the future direction of the economy?
Well, the German economy, which has grown impressively by 3% in 2011, has lost momentum in the last quarter. And for this reason, there are some people discussing whether there is now a technical recession in Germany. So we have seen poor growth rates in the fourth quarter, or expect poor growth rate in the first quarter this year. But now the sentiment indicator has risen, and if this puts the current situation into perspective, it suggests that Germany is not on its way down into a deep depression, but that we might basically see a sideward movement of the German economy over the next half year.
So the indicator reached its highest level since July 2011, suggesting, as you said, that the economy is likely to stabilise rather than deteriorate. But within the first half of 2012, what could be some of the troubles facing the economy?
Well, still, the Eurozone debt crisis is a risk, and this, it's probably something which is could always affect to the negative. On the other hand, there have been positive signals from the financial market in the last weeks, and this might also explain the part of the improvement we've seen in this month.
The ZEW survey looks at the expected economic development of the Eurozone in 6 months' time. Now, many analysts are not expecting any concrete developments in terms of resolving the European debt crisis until the end of the first quarter of 2012 at least. Would you say this is the main reason behind the economic level seen this month? And how do you think this will affect the economic sentiment over the next few months?
Well, what we see today is that the financial market experts on our survey see the current situation in the Eurozone to be worse than in the last month, but at the same time, the expectations for the next 6 months have improved. So there are there's a slight positive outlook, which might simply come from stabilizing effects from the world economy. Still, there is Eurozone debt crisis as a general threat, but it really depends also on signals what the world economy is doing. There are now some more hopes than in the last month that there will be improvement from this side as well.
In terms of the economic expectations, if we look further forward to, say, the second half of 2012, do you suspect economic sentiment could pick up dramatically?
It really depends how the Eurozone debt crisis is evolving. At the moment, I would say that financial market experts expect some slight improvement over the next half year, and it might also be that growth rates of the economy will improve further in the second half of 2012, but still this really depends on the situation on financial markets we will experience in the next 6 months.
Thank you very much, Christian, for providing us with some more insight on the ZEW survey figures. Now stay tuned to Dukascopy TV for more exclusive interviews on current market news. Goodbye for now.